Here's a quick tutorial for this eye look. First, you need to prep your eyes for doing any eye look. I will be using this Glam matte eyeshadow palette. I have already used concealer on my eyelid and I will be setting that with a nude shade from this palette and back. Then use a light brown shade all over my crease. Use a fluffy round brush for this one, and as you can see, it's already giving base for this eye look. And next you need to use darker shade on the edges of your eyes. It's a half cut crease eye look, so here I am using a concealer on half of my crease, and then I will again set that with the same eyeshadow that I used on the base. And you have to use, if you want you can leave it like that, but what I did was I used a shimmer color. I forgot to record that, so I have just used that from another eyeshadow palette, and I did my liners like usual, and use a very dense eyeshadow brush for smudging a little bit of color over those liner. And for this eye look, this is a very important step. You need to use eyeliner in your waterline, both up and down. Look at the difference that it makes. Next, use a mascara. Any mascara will do. If you want to add a little more drama to it, you can use false lashes. I didn't have the false lashes, so I am not using false lashes here. The same thing that you did for the other eye. That's it. Thank you for watch part 2 for the complete look.